Welcome to this comprehensive guide on best practices for using BestPlaces public transportation. BestPlaces is a website that provides information on the best places to live in the United States, including data on public transportation. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the steps to effectively use public transportation in the best places to live. First, research the public transportation options available in your desired location. BestPlaces provides data on the types of public transportation available, such as buses, trains, and subways. Look for locations with a high level of public transportation accessibility, as this can greatly impact your quality of life. Next, plan your route in advance. Use the public transportation website or app to plan your trip, including the time of departure and arrival, and the route you will take. This will help you avoid confusion and ensure that you arrive at your destination on time. Another key concept is to understand the different types of public transportation passes available. Many cities offer daily, weekly, or monthly passes that can save you money and make it easier to use public transportation. Consider purchasing a pass if you plan to use public transportation frequently. In addition, be mindful of peak hours and plan your trip accordingly. Peak hours are typically during rush hour, and public transportation may be more crowded and delayed during this time. Try to avoid traveling during peak hours if possible, or plan for extra time in case of delays. It is also important to follow public transportation etiquette. This includes giving up your seat to elderly or disabled passengers, keeping the volume down on your phone, and avoiding eating or drinking on public transportation. Finally, stay informed about public transportation updates and changes. Sign up for alerts or follow the public transportation social media account to stay up to date on any changes or disruptions to service. By following these best practices, you can effectively use public transportation in the best places to live. Remember to research your options, plan your route, understand the types of passes available, be mindful of peak hours, follow public transportation etiquette, and stay informed. By doing so, you can make the most of your public transportation experience and enjoy a higher quality of life.